Wow, man, all this nature is just looking fine today, man. I can't imagine anything that could make this day better. And hey, what's that over there? Whoa, man.
So what exactly are you doing swimming out here?
I found this new type of nature, man. It makes people happier.
You're telling me you found some type of plant that makes people happier?
Yeah, man.
Is this legit?
Alright, man. All you gotta do is eat it.
I can't eat that.
Why not?
That's a vegetable. Vegetables are devil's candy.
That's nonsense, man. Vegetables are good for you. And plus, this one is different.
Alright, fine, I'll try it.
I miss my long hair. Well, better go see what the others are up to. What the?
Hey, man, what's going on?
What is the hippie doing in my house?
Oh, Ian, you gotta try this new type of nature the hippie just found.
Yeah, no thanks. Vegetables are the devil's candy.
Oh no, Ian, this is different. This stuff makes you happier.
Yeah, right. A vegetable that makes people happier? That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
Read it, Ian, try it.
Fine, I'll try it, but afterwards I want that hippie out of this house. Are you kidding me? I don't feel any diff. Whoa, you guys were right. I do feel a lot. Hey, where'd you guys go? Hey, who the heck are you?
Ian, long time no see.
I don't think I know you.
Yes, you do. I'm the Tortilla Boy before you change his character's appearance.
What?
Do you remember Cop Squad, the movie trailer? Come on, those are good times.
Well, I'm gonna go look for my friends, so, see ya.
Yeah, what? And we're not friends? Whatever, they'll probably use my design in a different movie.
Hey, anyone in here?
Hey, Ian, how's it going?
Alright, who are you?
I'm the guy you made that stew that one time and died.
Oh! Hey, wait a minute. If you ate that one stew that one time and died, how are you still alive?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Alright then.
Oh yeah, I'm kinda dead too, just tell my brothers that I guess.
Wait, you have a brother? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's about time I leave. Alright, well, no, I gotta use the bathroom. What the? What is this? It's like an invisible wall here or something. Alright, fine, I'll just go and use the other bathroom. Alright, so somehow I'm here again, I guess. Alright, well, let's try that again. Alright, so somehow I'm here again. Alright, well, maybe I can push this invisible wall away. Alright. What the? Okay, I don't even know what just happened. Maybe I could go to the bathroom now, I guess. Oh, come on.
Hey guys, I'm back home at the grocery. Well, looks like I have some cleaning to do. Alright, I'll just put these down right here.
Oh, hey, FD! You gotta try this new type of nature out. It makes people happier. Hey, you should try some.
Annoying guy, where did you get this stuff? Where's Ian? Why is the house a mess?
The nature we get from the hippie, Ian's upstairs, and I can't exactly remember how else anymore.
Well, where's the hippie?
Hey man, you need something?
Yeah, where did you get this stuff?
I don't know, man. Probably the backyard. Hey, you want some?
No thanks. I'm gonna go find Ian. So. Ian, you gotta come quickly.
LTB, you're just on time, dude. You're just on time. I want you to meet my friends Johnny Depp and Angelina Jolie.
Johnny, that's just a box with a pirate sword, and that is just a pillow with a wig on top of it.
Hey, dude, have you seen the hippie? I have to get some more of that stuff he had earlier.
Oh no, he gave it to you too, didn't he?
You gave what to me? You're talking about the nature? Because that's what you're talking about. You honestly have to try some. It is literally the best thing I've ever tried.
I'm not having any, and neither are you, alright?
Why not?
Because trust me, you don't want any more. Now, I'm off to go find that hippie, so you stay here. Oh.
Shut up, Johnny Depp.
Alright, where is it?
Where's what?
You know what I'm talking about. The nature.
Oh, you mean this stuff?
Is this all of it?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Get this all put down. Alright. Time to get cooking. Literally.
Hey, wait, was that a reference to Breaking Bad, or did you just say that because you're a chef?
Oh,
I don't know, like, both, I guess?
wait.
I'm just wondering, okay? So, sorry.
Alright then.
Wow, LTB, I can't believe how right you were about how bad that nature was for us.
Yeah, thanks, LTD.
Yes, because obviously it's that easy to get over an addiction like that.
Yeah, and now I can focus on the real issue. Getting that hippie out of the house.
Hey, man, you don't have to worry about me anymore, man. This whole experience has made me realize something. If I sat around all day, man, who's gonna attend to my flying monkey people? I mean, man, that stuff was bad for you. I mean, it wasn't like the regular nature, man. It was, like, super bad. So that's why I've decided to part my ways. And I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna explore a bit, man. I'm gonna see new things. Experience new things. Man, I'm sorry to say this, but this is where I gotta say my goodbyes. So long, man.
Wouldn't you need the nature to see the flying monkeys?
Well, at least he's gone.
Yeah, you do know he'll most likely return in the next movie project, right?
Yeah, and that's probably why it will be an even longer wait than this one.
Oh, I guess so.
Yeah, I'm really getting sick of these videos that have a moral to the story. Well, I can't say I can argue with you on that one. Yeah, I know you can't, because I wrote the script. Hi, I'm Ian Roberts, but you may know me as Oldtowncop. Now, in my movies, you may see the character, the hippie, usually do this stuff called the nature man. Well, obviously, as you know, the nature represents drugs. I mean, that's kind of obvious. But I came on here to say that drugs are bad for you. And you probably shouldn't do them. No, you shouldn't do them. Because not only are they bad for you, but they also, the media does this stuff and they take drugs and they basically, they make it like a bigger deal than it needs to be. I know it's a big deal and all, it is, but the media will take famous actors and they'll get them to talk about anti-drug videos, and it's annoying. Have you ever heard Pee Wee Herman talking about how bad drugs are for you? It's not even funny, seriously. It's not. Let me show you an example of what I mean. Hi, I'm Little Tortilla Boy. And this is your brain. And this is drugs. And this is your brain on drugs. Any questions?
Heck yeah, I do. I think I just now noticed that you got a hat.
Yeah, and you kinda get a emo haircut thing going. Hey, annoying guy, want some hot cocoa?
Hot cocoa!
Whiz roll, baby.
So what is special thing?
Whiz roll, baby.
Who's Proxy? What does Proxy have anything to do?
It's like a fair. It's like the fair Luke has. Whiz roll, baby. Hi there. I'm Ian Roberts. This is my roast beef stew.